Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to speed up your Apple iPad Pro 5th Gen a little bit. Because if you are using the apps, the wonderful apps, thousands of them you can use each day, every day, 24/7, and you start an app. After this, the app is still running, as you can see. But then if you shut down the app is not shut down completely. That means a little bit is in the background still running. This is a comfortable thing, of course. Here, swipe from the bottom side up to the center, and then you can see there are so many apps in the background still running. But this costs a little bit of RAM, random access memory, a little bit performance. Okay? To delete that kind of apps completely is really easy. You are going to take your fingers, go to the bottom side, swipe up, and let it go. And then you can see this option here. A lot of apps are still running in the background, and they are getting some speed, and it's not so good. To speed up a little bit, swipe upward, swipe upward. Swipe upward, and you can see now the apps are closed. To control this, swipe again, and nothing in the background is still running. That means you can gain a little bit of performance by completely shut down the apps. That's good, and this speeds up your iPad Pro 5th Gen a little bit. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel soon.